Hi everyone, this is a continuation of the chicken butchering video. We separate the heart, liver, and gizzards from the rest of the organs of the chicken that we butchered and gutted. The chicken feet were already separated. We do not use the liver, heart, or chicken feet at our home. I wouldn't necessarily say we don't or wouldn't eat it. It's just that we haven't in the past. So these items were set aside for someone who does. Be careful when separating the liver, as it is easy to tear the bile sac. Doing so will cause a dark greenish fluid to spill out, causing a bitter taste to the part of the chicken it touches. Rinse immediately if this happens. For the gizzard, you want to clean the fat and other particles around it, then rinse. There should be a hole where the gizzard was detached from the digestive tract. This is where you insert the knife to cut open. Continue to cut along the one side to basically butterfly the gizzard. The green stuff you see is partially digested grass that this chicken was feeding on. Now peel back the membrane inside the gizzard. Rinse and repeat for each gizzard. Those of you who buy gizzards from the market get them already clean. There is no bad smell in this process, at least not from our birds. This is how fresh chicken gizzards look. For the chicken feet, you want to scrape the yellow skin off. You can dip this in hot water to make this process go easily. After scraping off the skin, you want to remove the little thick piece of skin in the palm of the chicken. The next step is to cut off the tips of each toe to remove the toenails from the chicken feet. This is all the chicken heart and liver from the chickens we butchered. The chicken feet were stored in another bag. I will do another video showing how the chickens are butchered, the process that I follow to can the chicken stock as well as the meat. If you enjoyed the videos on this channel, please share so that the channel may grow. You can also leave comments and ask questions.